Understanding In a Pig's Eye, an idiomatic exploration. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English idiom, in a pig's eye. This phrase might sound strange at first, but it's a colorful part of the English language. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. In a pig's eye is an idiom that expresses skepticism or disbelief. When someone uses this phrase, they're essentially saying that they think something is highly unlikely or that they don't believe it at all. It's similar to saying, "I don't believe that for a second." The origin of "in a pig's eye" is a bit murky, but it's believed to have emerged in 19th century America. The phrase plays on the idea that pigs' eyes are small and not very clear, suggesting that seeing something through a pig's eye would be unlikely or unclear, hence the association with disbelief. Using "in a pig's eye" is simple. It's best used in informal situations, like conversations with friends or in casual settings. For example, do you think he'll clean his room today? In a pig's eye, he's never that tidy. They say it'll be sunny all week. In a pig's eye, the forecast predicts rain. Remember, it's a fun and slightly humorous way to express doubt, so use it in contexts where a light-hearted tone is appropriate. Like many idioms, "in a pig's eye" has variations. You might hear, "in a pig's ear." This has a similar meaning and is used interchangeably. When pigs fly, though not exactly the same, this idiom also expresses disbelief, suggesting that something is as likely as pigs flying. In a pig's eye is a great example of the colorful and imaginative nature of English idioms. It adds flavor to conversations and is a fun way to express disbelief. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Happy learning!